noticed that in our conversation, it was a kind of a natural transition of just inquisitive, asking the right questions. And because it's what you do, it's kind of a natural progression. I find the same thing where, they're going to mention something that makes me think of something that I do. And it's just natural when you do something enough. In fact, my mind is always rolling in that way. It's kind of hard for me to turn it off. It's kind of hard for me to unplug when, I have to be very intentional when I'm with the kids. I'm with those kids, even though I want to check that email and call that person back. When I'm on vacation, I want to follow up on that application to make sure everything's moving along there. Or even if I'm, coming from who I am, I've always kind of been a friendly, outgoing person that when I'm out to eat with the family, not to, strike up a conversation with the table next to me and crack a joke.